Alright. We gotta bring you another room tour from the Disney Pop Century. We're doing a room tour of 3150. This is one of the value resorts. Just to get a first look at it. Not bad at all. Got some nice hardwood floors. We got a fridge, in case you need some stuff. We got a drawer, pull out. And then we got the all famous coffee maker. There's some Disney coffee. Always a plus for that one over there.
Yes.
So, got your thermostat over here. Ice bucket, some cups. And then we got our stand here. Got our TV. Welcome. Fletcher family. We got 3 drawers. These are actually pretty good, decent size. Look at that. And then we even got this one, which has your safe. Got the Bible. 2 more shelves down there. Not too bad. We got all this counter space here. Especially with us, with all of our gear. So, comes with the Murphy bed. We haven't pulled it down because our stuff's kind of on the table. So, but got 2 chairs, which makes it real nice. Nice king size bed. Bathroom. Got the old all mirror. And even a light. Nice full-length mirror here. Got an ironing board. Got your little makeshift closet. Got some hangers. Got some more storage. Got an iron and a blow dryer. And some more shelving up here, if you would like. And more shelving down there. Of course, we got the toilet. Nice big shower. Sliding glass doors. And it even has a barn door closed. So, open it up. Woo! Not bad. Hey! She brought it down. Here's our.
Awesome. That's why they have all those pillows.
There's our Murphy bed. And look who we got. Who is that? Hello. Hello. And I think we even got a light here. Hit the button.
Yep.
Bing!
Let there be
Gives
light.
you a little night light there. That's nice.
This is why they have that little stand over here.
Mm-hmm.
This is very nice.
Then we have the Mickeys on the wall, of course. You know one good thing about this place too? Is everybody has USB chargers. Look at this. We have 2 outlets. Guess what? On this side, we got 2 more outlets and 2 more USBs. Oh yeah. By the way, we got this one over here. 2 more USBs, 2 more outlets. Oh yeah. 2 more USBs, 2 more outlets. And then if you want to have some fun, check this one out. Oh wait a minute. 2 more USBs and 2 more outlets. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 USBs. So can't say you don't have enough room to charge your stuff. Oh hey, and then also they have this too. This little gizmo here, you got your own little echo. All you have to say is, "Hey Disney, tell me a joke." Hey Disney, tell me a joke. Let's try this one more time. Hey Disney.
I'm having trouble connecting. I'll keep trying.
Walt Disney's where you can't tell him. Hey Disney, what's the weather? Well, it was working earlier.
Currently, in Lake Buena Vista, 71 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly clear skies. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the sky with a low of 65 degrees.
Now this is a great time to just hang out on the water.
That's actually pretty cool. This is the first room I've ever seen that in. So. But all in all, it's a nice little place. Nice value resort.
Shopping.
No, she didn't shopping. I didn't shop. She's the one that shops. All her. I hope you guys like the room tour. We'll see if we can put together some other stuff down the road also for you, get some more travels in. But anything else, I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya.